Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Canva video editor for fast thumbnail and intro creation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable the Canva video editor for fast thumbnail and intro creation, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Canva website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type video in the search bar and hit enter. This will take you to the video editing section of Canva. Here, you'll find various templates for video projects. To create a thumbnail, search for YouTube thumbnail in the template section. Select a template that fits your style. You can easily customize the text, images, and colors. Click on any element to modify it to your liking. To create a video intro, search for Video Intro in the template section. Browse through the available options and pick one that resonates with your brand. Once selected, you can edit the duration and add animations. In the editor, use the top menu to adjust settings like text size and background color. When satisfied with your edits, click the download button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file type for the thumbnail and video intro. For video intros, ensure to select the appropriate format to maintain quality. Finally, save your work to your device or directly to your Canva account for future use. This process allows for quick and efficient creation of engaging video content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.